Okay guys, I'm here getting Gary and
Hi.
Hi. Anyway, so making a list again. Didn't go over the list from last week. Kind of scatterbrained here. We did some pressure washing. Gary put in the mailbox. We didn't do any paint touch-ups. I trimmed the trees. We didn't fix the carpet cleaner or the robot cleaner or any of this. What other stuff did we do last week? Was that all we got done? Pressure washing, mailbox, trim trees. Yeah. All right, so on to this week. So I'm just repeating. Gary's going to do some more pressure washing. I might paint the tires. By the driveway, I just make a big list and not necessarily going to do all this today. Things I might want to do.
Options.
Yeah, options. Exactly. Options. Thank you, Gary. Because, one, it's hot outside, and we might not feel like doing any of these things, some of these things.
Part or partially, though.
And sometimes you just gotta do what you feel like doing. So I might do that. The garage needs cleaned up a little bit. Those two shelves did go to my niece. My sister came and got them and brought them to my niece's house, so I can clean that area up a little bit.
Alrighty.
So, they went over and helped their sheets about ready to pop with the twins. So my sister and her husband, my brother-in-law, went over there to help them clean up their garage and their house, get all ready organized for the twins. Yeah, that'll be 6 kids they have. Yeah, crazy. Anyway, so maybe get the stuff out of the attic. That's a big question because it's really hot today. The rest of the holiday decor, finish that. I need to clean out the salt container. Gary, I need your help with that. It's like there's some kind of sediment in the bottom of it where you put the salt in it. It looks gross. Anyway, I need to clean that out. I need Gary to look at the steam cleaner and look at the robot vacuum, and maybe we might possibly move the picnic table. Okay. Wow. I guess. Oh, we need to go to Home Depot. And Bob wants us to get some haciendas because we're going to fix the back area outside the back porch.
Yeah.
We're going to fix that up a little bit.
Okay.
Planting area outside. Anyway, all right, that's what we have planned for today. Okay, I had the bigger marigold, but they were $3.98 for a container, and I was going to get 6 of them. That would have cost a pretty penny. These are only $1, so I opted to do that. These are for the driveway. The planters by the driveway. Yeah, I have a lot of stuff that I want to do, but I think I've mentioned this before. I'm only getting little bits of plants because if I get too many, even though I know what I want to do, it may never get planted and they die. Anyway, and I was going to do cactus by the driveway, but you know what? These are so pretty. And I just wanted something pretty and, like fresh cut flowers, they only last for so long. So if these die, then they die. Sure. Okay, this is the planting area we want to fix. I need to get the mower out here and mow, and we went to Chick-fil-A, so I'm gonna eat something, and then the whole grass needs mowed, and I need gas for the mower, so there's that. Okay, so I mowed this. It's hot, guys. I don't know how long we're gonna last out here. So I mowed this really short right here. We are just gonna concentrate on this area. Philodendron, I think, is gonna go in here. I almost want to extend the area to over here. I don't know. All right. We are not going to last long doing this. It's so hot. To be honest with you, I'm just doing this to appease hubby, because he wanted this done, and we're gonna have to wait to do it on the weekend, like at 6 o'clock in the evening till 8, 2 hours to do this section. Me and Gary are gonna get this done, this section done today, though. I did a little curve here, so it makes it, I didn't like it being straight. I'm not gonna pull all that other stuff out. I'm gonna plant the philodendron, so that planter needs to go. It doesn't get that weedy, a little bit, and I'm just gonna leave the Wandering Jew there, I think. Maybe put those 2 Thai plants there. I'm gonna put the plants, the pots there, and see what hubby thinks. So we're done. Sorta. We don't have enough of these haciendas. I'm gonna get some dirt and put it in there, and I don't know, I guess I'm gonna hold off on the mulch. I just put this bougainvillea over there temporarily. I think I'm gonna put another Thai plant there. Hubby and I will finish this. Like I said, if we do this at like 5 or 6 in the afternoon on the weekend, we will not be dying. Gary and I are dying, right, Gary? It's hot. It's ridiculously hot, and it's only May. That's why I said I started the yard stuff too late. Really, you need to do it March and April, and then that's it.
I even brought my fan.
Yeah, Gary brought his little fan. Yeah. Okay, taking a break. It's so hot. We're almost done, and then we're gonna do something else, like pressure washing. I might mow the lawn. It'll still be hot, but at least I'm just sitting there. And
Clean the refrigerator, clean the freezer. I want to clean the freezer.
Hey, bring me my frosted coffee. Yeah. So I'm just gonna sit here and edit this video. Actually, I should be editing last week's video, because I usually, when we film, I don't usually post it till the following week, so just know that. I don't know why I'm telling you that. Do you guys really care? Probably not. Anyway, but I don't know, sometimes it might confuse you if I post something else and like, wait, that doesn't line up. Anyway, thank you. Okay, it's actually got a little cloudy, which helps a lot. We're just gonna clean up here, and Gary's gonna pressure wash, and I'm either gonna do the tires or mow the lawn. I don't know what I want to do. We're gonna clean up this scraps and stuff, and anyway, we're gonna clean out this gross kind of something in there. I don't know. Okay, y'all, so those 2 shells are gone, like I said. My sister took them to my niece's house, and so maybe do a little cleanup here today. We'll see. Okay, Gary cleaned this all out. It was all gunky inside, so now it's all clean. We're gonna put some fresh salt in there. Maybe we should sweep behind there. Before we do that. No. show you when I come back. Oh, Gary, I went on Gary. We're gonna go to the park. And I got a salad from Chick-fil-A and I didn't eat it. And I'm about to pass out, really. And I don't want to go inside. I like being out here, but I'm gonna go to the park and eat my salad and then come back and finish up doing some stuff. So Gary's going to cut that tree up and put it out front. And I'm gonna go crash and burn. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm not feeling good. Alright, I can see, do you guys see the lawnmower out there? I couldn't get it started, so I'm gonna chill in here, but I'm being reminded that I gotta go get some gas for the mower. So I can at least get it back in the garage. I don't think I'm on the lawn today. Okay, so I straightened up the garage, like I said. And these two bins that were having the porch stuff on it, obviously that's not getting done anytime soon. Still, I just put them here. And those bins are going to my niece. That needs to go on the porch eventually. And that's not really a good spot there because I need to get something right now. I need to get to the spray paint because I really want to fix the planters in the driveway. That's what I want to do. Okay, I found the mother load. Alright, I need a couple cans of spray paint so I can re-spray paint those tires again. I don't know why I keep doing this. I need a better solution, but I do kind of like them. Okay, these are the planters the tires I'm going to redo. Because I'm going to buy the driveway. Look at little sad. I don't know, these are like heftier or something. So, yeah, but they need to be painted. I got them painted. I gotta wait till it dries and then roll them over and paint the underside. In the meantime, I guess me and Gary are gonna move the planters from the driveway. Maybe. Gary finished moving all of, I don't know why I'm showing you, but he put all of the wood over there somewhere so that when we have a fire in the fall, we can use that as firewood. So, yeah. Hey! What are you doing? Is that enough to tighten it? Still not straight, but,
yeah, but
a couple, like one more time maybe?
Maybe.
Alright. How long ago did we start doing that? Well, there's another one that we need to stake up. The other one. There's one over. I'll show you. Gary saw a snake in there earlier. What the heck is keep digging in there?
Oh, so that's not you?
No.
I don't know. I thought.
No, an animal did that. Armadillo, something.
Okay, yeah.
So,
that's another reason why.
So this tree needs straightened. Jesse James
I don't know.
did it one time and then I don't know, the stake broke.
It's
Oh, that part's going straight.
But the top is going straight now. So
I'll think about it. All right, finished up painting those. I just have to decide if I want 3 tires on each side. Gary's is pressure washing the front for a little bit, and then we're gonna clean up and I'm gonna take them home. So I don't think the planters are going to be finished today. Lovely. Ants. Okay, I never finished painting this tire thing, so I'm gonna touch that up right now with this red paint here, kind of like a rustic red. I'm realizing now too, this is a great way to paint the tires. Having them suspended. I mean, this is a tire swing for the kids, so, and that's Gary doing the pressure washing, so that's what that noise is. But a little late now, although I do have these 2 tires that I want to paint. So maybe I'll tie them to the tree with a rope, and it's just easier to paint that way. Yeah. Then they don't fall over when the wind hits them, and I don't have to wait for them to dry to, well, I do. Where the rope is touching it, I have to wait for this to dry to turn it around. But I don't know, it might be easier to paint like that. Okay, I just have to wait till it dries so I can turn it around so I can paint this part. But, yep, all touched up. You guys, this is just what happens in Florida. You know, I said I was going to maybe need to find another solution for the tires, but if it wasn't that, it would be a planter that needs to be replaced because the sun has ruined it. That's just what happens in Florida. Things don't last very long out in the sun. Okay, I think that looks better than it previously. I don't know if I needed any higher. I think these are a little more hefty than the other ones. Taller, thicker, higher. So I just got a plant. Not happening today. In fact, I don't know that the other planter's getting moved either. So we shall see. Okay, that right there looks like crap. It is a work in progress and probably temporary until we find a better solution. But yeah, it looks like crap. But you can't see that. You can't see it from the road. Unless you're coming from behind me. Then maybe. But most of it, you can't really see it from the road. Yeah. Okay, here's the other side of the tires. I didn't put the planter on it because it had mulch in it and it fell over. And there was bugs all in it. So I ran out of bug spray. So it's just going to stay where it's at behind the swing until I can get some bug spray. But yeah, finished up, and another day I will plant those plants that I got for the planter. Yep. Clean up time, Gary! Clean up, everybody, everywhere. Okay, I went and got gas for the mower while Gary cleaned up some, so those plants are going to have to wait. All cleaned up. Hubby's home. I take Gary home. Blew out the garage. Also blew off the mower with the blower, the leaf blower, to get off any crap, so we can keep this garage clean, which is nearly impossible. And the workbench sort of got cleaned up good enough. Are you ready to go? I'm tired. I'm tired. All right, guys. I'm gonna wash up. I'm gonna take Gary home. Where's he going? You looking for something? Come on. I'm ready to go. Alright guys, that's it for Fix It Friday. I'm gonna go take Gary home and get hubby and I something to eat from Chili's. I think I'm getting a hamburger and he's getting ribs. What are you looking for? He's lost something.